want to help people tap into their senses, because it's the simplest thing that you can do, that anyone can do. I taught, not people, well, they were people, but I taught kids how to see, how to hear, how to sing little songs every day. And in those songs, we learned movement. And in those songs, we learned colors. And in those songs, we learned about everything about the world. Flash forward, I want to help adults do the same thing. Adults are the same little kids that they always were, but sometimes they forgot. And I know they forgot. We're just out of touch. We're out of touch with our own selves. We always look into these phones. We always look into someone else. We always look into our kids or our parents or our partners or our bosses or our followers or our whoever, friends. We always look to other people to experience validation between one another. Boy, you really need is validation within yourself. What you really need is confidence within yourself. And when I find that I feel the most confident within myself, it's just simply a matter of taste or style or a matter of perspective. I'm helping people gain perspective in their own individual, unique way. This is not rocket science. It's not some new innovative thing. A lot of people have done it. A lot of the artists, they already kind of know that personally for themselves. But a lot of people know it for themselves but can't explain it to someone else. I'm quite the opposite. I need for it to be explained in order for me to understand it a little bit better. Because my effort or my challenge is to help you figure out the best way to express yourself uniquely and express your unique perspective. That's my challenge. I think that is my life challenge. And being able to change that from person to person to person, for me, is my challenge, and I like that challenge. I like it. It just sets me into a place that I am really, really excited for life. If you help me by joining me in helping you activate your senses, I assure you, you will never be the same. And you will be very, very grateful. And you will be you.